Step inside a legendary lion leather factory and explore the full process behind crafting luxury leather shoes. This documentary-style journey presents a conceptual manufacturing workflow, showing how premium hides inspired by royal symbolism are treated, shaped, stitched, and finished into high-end footwear. From raw material preparation to final polishing, every stage highlights craftsmanship, precision machinery, and luxury standards. This film focuses on visual storytelling inspired by mythical and historical luxury production. Like, subscribe for more.
Monitoring the chemical levels is crucial to the tanning process, ensuring consistency across every drum.
The stabilization chamber ensures even moisture balancing through precise environmental control.
We're showing a slight variance on frame 4. Rerunning the diagnostic now, everything appears nominal.
Notice the density variations highlighted by the scan. We should flag this batch immediately. Confirmed.
Check the tension on the heel curve.
Looks uniform from here.
The alignment is perfect.
Here in the installation bay, human oversight guarantees the flawless integration of the exotic leather components.
Looks like the vertical lift sequence is stable.
Confirmed. The transition to assembly is seamless.
The data stream shows perfect consistency on the pigment application.
Adjust the flow rate slightly to compensate for the humidity.
Check the alignment on batch 42.
Looks precise. Robot calibration is holding steady.
Check the alignment on line 3, and the sensor reading is fluctuating.
Adjusting the suction pressure now. Rerouting the next batch.
Everything is within spec here.
Confirmed. The stitching is perfect on this batch.
The sensors are reading stable at 180 degrees Celsius.
Good, the airflow adjustment worked perfectly.
Shine factor is optimal on this batch. Confirmed. The synchronization is perfect today.
Alignment check on the toe cap, sensor 7.
Looks good. Surface finish is flawless. Proceed.
The alignment on the left arm is off by 2 millimeters.
I see it. The throughput is still high, but let's adjust the calibration now.
Scan this pallet. It needs priority routing to Zone 4.
Confirmed. The system updated in real time.
Scanning the new Lion leather shipment now.
Confirmed. Placing them in Section 4, Row 2.
Confirming manifest 7R. Bay 4 is clear.
Copy that. Bringing the truck in now.
How is the reflection on this one?
Perfect. The light hits the texture just right.
Thank you for your purchase. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks, you too.
This section here requires adjustment before cutting.
I've updated the template parameters accordingly.
Container 72B scanned and verified.
Confirmed. Divert to quality control.
Keep an eye on the feed rate for the next sole.
Got it. The current one looks perfect.
The sequence for Bay 4 is correct. Yes, the forklift is clear to proceed.
The flow rate on loop 3 is slightly below tolerance.
Reroute the secondary injector pressure and observe the change.
Check the pressure on Unit 4.
Reading stable, all green here. Let's move to the next line.
Data stream stable on Sector 4.
Acknowledged. Calibration successful.
Initiating emergency shutdown sequence on line 4.
Conveyor belt stoppings now.
Calibration complete on line 3.
Settings confirmed. The workflow is optimized.
Look at the fluctuation on the vibration graph here.
I see it. It started right after we passed the merge point.
Look here. The sensors show the weight is distributed perfectly across the layers.
Incredible precision.
The throughput on aisle 4 is up 20% from last quarter.
Good. Keep the automated lifts cycling at that rate.
Control to Unit 4, you are clear for departure. Over. Roger that, Control. Rolling out.
Pallet 34 is ready for loading.
Confirmed. We have space in Bay 2.
Controllers.
Yeah.
As you can see, the lion leather has a unique grain. This specific pair is hand welted, ensuring exceptional durability.